supercharged in southern Kansas, right on down to the Red River and far northern Texas, southern Oklahoma. These storms are producing a large hail circulation with tornado wind continuing like so in the mid area points moving.